we make up, act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher, leave it all over again, all over again.
Good morning, you guys, it's Meljean and welcome back to another travel vlog. So today we were invited by Bluewater Resort, which is in Sumilon Island, located in the south of Cebu in Oslob, to witness their tree lighting because it's Christmas. I am here with my newfound friend. Hi!
Hi there.
What is your vlog?
Nags Ventures.
And Kuya, hello. Hello. Kuya Herbert. So let's go and have fun. So after 4 hours of driving from the city, wow, Kuya was actually driving so fast. Anyways, we have just arrived here in Oslob, here in Bangkogon. This is where we're gonna take a boat going to that island. So that's gonna be the Sumilon Island. Okay guys, so after 5-minute boat ride, we have just arrived at Bluewater Sumilon Resort. We're gonna have lunch. Done eating. What a sumptuous food prepared by Bluewater Sumilon. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, it's like 1 p.m. right now, so we can't check in yet. So we're just gonna try some kayaking over there. We have finally checked in. We are in room number 23. So I'd like to thank Bluewater Resort here in Sumilon for taking us here and for giving us a free accommodation to witness their Christmas lighting later on. So I'll give you guys a room tour. It's so beautiful. So let's go. So as you enter, this is Ronette. Hi. She is my roommate. Dining table outside, and this is the view that you will be getting. Getting inside, we have a sliding door. Here is the room. So we have 2 queen-size beds. We have a sofa right here and a table right here. Onto the side, we have the entertainment section. We have the TV and all. We have drawers. Whoa, they have chips, coffee. I think this is where the fridge. Yes, with all the drinks and chocolates. Side right here, you can see the vanity mirror. You can do some work in there. I so love these 2 lighting. 2 stairs, step 1, 2, and that's the bed. Wow, really nice. It's just so pretty, you guys. This is so native. So this is actually the event that we were invited, parole lighting ceremony. So onto the side right here, you can walk in at the back of the beds. This is where you can see the bathroom, and you can see this huge mirror. Anyways, there's a cabinet right here. They get umbrellas, hair dryer. Look at this. What? This is their bathroom. It's so enormous. This is a toilet. Then we have 2 sinks, and again, a big size mirror. You can see a glass above, so that's really pretty. Here is a walk-in shower. Yeah, that is basically it for the room tour, you guys. So right now we're gonna go room around Bluewater Resort here in Sumilon Island. And yeah, I'll show you guys around. We're also gonna do some picture taking. So here we go.
Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within this.
Now we are walking in the forest, guys. We are gonna be heading to the sandbar, which most people are actually buzzing about every time they go here in Sumilon Island. You can actually also do a day tour here. If you want to get inside Bluewater Resort, you're gonna pay 2,000 during weekdays and 2,500 during weekends. That includes lunch buffet already. So you can use their amenities like swimming pool, infinity pool actually. Pretty nice. Catching my breath. But yeah, it's so beautiful in here. I feel like I'm actually in the Maldives. Like, the water is so clear. I just love the ambience. It's a very small island actually, but yeah, it's so pristine and untouched.
We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again.
From this one here up until there. It's so pretty. You know the sand? Oh my god. The sand. Powder like. So right now it's exactly 5:30 p.m. and oh my god, I so love the color of the sky right there. It's quite pinkish. Well, you cannot see it in the camera, but anyway, so we're now going to the event area where we're gonna do the Christmas tree lighting. My outfit for today is just a maxi dress with a slit right here.
Wow!
Let's go! I'm now in the event area, so they have like a fiesta motif for their Christmas tree lighting. So let's see what food do they have.
light the Christmas tree. Thank you for helping us light the Christmas tree. And performance, we again call on
I'm back in the room now. It was so fun to experience my first Christmas lighting here in Sumilon Island and go to bed now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It's 7 a.m. I just literally woke up. It actually rained last night. That's why I had a really good sleep. But anyways, we're gonna head now for breakfast. They're actually calling us already. I had a really good breakfast prepared by, of course, Bluewater Sumilon. Thank you so much. We're gonna be heading to their bee farm. Let's check it out. I hope I'm not gonna be scared. I had to put on this hat with a net on it so that the bees cannot attack their faces. Okay, I am scared of bees, guys, so they're there. I'm here. Okay, so it is our free time, you guys. Now we are in the bike trail, or like this is like a forest thing. It is so refreshing. I so love the air. But anyways, right now let's go ahead and check out some cave. It's called Yamashita Cave.
Sa akong kagamay ba pwede ra ko di mo doko.
Okay, next this is their Goroto. You can see their Mama Mary. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and for that I would like to thank Bluewater Sumilon here in Oslo for inviting me to witness their Christmas tree lighting, also for the free accommodation. You guys can come here. They do have a day tour package. Also, you can check out their rooms. I think it's about 200 bucks per night, but it is totally worth it. The water is so awesome. The beach is so nice. They also do have a sandbar, so that's a very good thing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!